got a month of coke because the kid the coldest. I ain't changed, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out sushi, sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta smoke. Ryan around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some gas and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these drinking too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in image, a picture, bro. They look bro, hit this nigga, it's like getting low. I spent time on the rest on the Lambo and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. 30 feet, but don't feel me, period. Follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner. The promise, God, the period. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with lies and don't gun of us. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you run in the beers and a tongue truck? How you got everybody get piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I don't type her up. They my last and my last, I know I got up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing.
Hey, y'all. It's currently 11:57, y'all. I got out of class at like 10:50, but I'm waiting. Y'all, it's raining so bad. It's raining, y'all, and I don't have a jacket. I only have an umbrella. But I don't know why. For some reason, I hate walking in places. I hate walking in places with an umbrella. Like, it's so embarrassing to me because why you got that big thing covering the top of your head? But like, I don't know. I might just do the umbrella, honestly. Yeah, look, I got these air fresheners off TikTok. I'm so full of myself, honestly. They so cute though, look. They cute. So yeah, I'm just waiting. Okay, the rain's stopping now. I was trying to go home and come back, but it started raining and I'm not getting out the car when it's raining. My next class is at 12:30, 11:59. Right now I'm making TikTok. I got my Palm Angels.
2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is always trials and tribulations.
It's hot.
I think I'm in love. You fucked with a scrub.
I was gonna record inside, but not like I wasn't gonna record inside. Like, first of all, I don't even know where I was going. I look like a lost puppy. I'm walking around looking like I'm used to my little Everglades.
Do you love me? Do you trust me? Say you got my back, baby, got you wanna fuck me.
Y'all, it'd be so funny looking at the people when they don't know where they're going, but I can't laugh because I be looking just like them.
That shit corrupt me.
Let me stop. Tuesday, August 12/22. I only had one class. Gotta come all the way over here just for one class. I don't know what to get to eat. I don't know what I want to eat.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. Jewish shit, you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know. Bitches with makeup, bitch, nails out. Get these niggas.
They notice me. Now they wanna come to talk to me. Beautiful looking, but I'm on the run. Rush, baby, just like come on. Beautiful women and they notice me. Now they wanna listen to the jealousy. Freaky. What's your fantasy?
Not gonna lie, I'm gonna lie. It's August 27th, Tuesday, second week of school. It's currently 10:48. Class at 11, from 11 to 12:15. I know I look a mess. I don't know why, but I've been eating Wingstop like back to back to back and really bad. If you know me, then Chick-fil-A hate to see me coming. Wingstop hate to see me coming. I don't need to put some gas. Let me show you what I just if you know. And the best water. I just got out of class. It is 12:27. I bought some AirPods when I was in class, but I already have these. I got these, but she'd be like, oh, y'all know y'all can't have nothing over your head. But yeah, I use the AirPods in class. I'm finna go to Best Buy. I'm always at Best Buy. Like, Best Buy hate to see me coming out. I'm at Best Buy, y'all.
She tried to take me no in this cat, nigga can't even see me on wind. She tried to flight, nigga in this cat. She tried to flight me no way out of here. She tried to flight, nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far in the sky. Hermes ash for the dawn, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I guess. Came out the gutter and ain't never me the swagger. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a bagger. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Park 2 million in the middle of my hood. Drinking no mud, I made out of the sewer. Chrome heart accessories, whatever, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, ranges gon' empty shit. Bitch breaking niggas, look at the kid. Heard of the fountain, but make it in Canada. Bring me this money like they my religion. This could be a man, they a sad infinity. Nigga, they try to compare whatever I did. Them that touched 100 bitches off the gig. That came out the jungle, they kidnapped the kid. I talk about a bundles, been put on the crib. But look at the ocean, it's my 30 M. You know where I'm at, the city I'm in. I keep me no fully, no matter what I'm in.
I got Grey Goose in my system and I'm trying not give a fuck. Cause I'm a lawyer tonight and hate you when I wake up. Girl, do you feel how I'm feeling, baby? Give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Cause it's on. Turn on the radio, baby. I'll turn you on. Just make sure you're ready, baby. Cause I'm down for anything. Tell me when you ready, baby. Time it is everything.